Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you guys this Pisces nail set. Warning, opening this package will cause extreme happiness. So for my 25th birthday, I wanted to try something new. I got this set from Black Silk Nails on Etsy. The original name was called Serpent, but I didn't want to go for that look. I wanted to go for the Pisces themed look, so I kindly asked the owner if she could do a Pisces sign for my birthday instead of the serpent, and that's what she kindly did. After applying all the nails, I love to use cuticle oil on my cuticles just to make it have that shiny finishing touch. And I just wanted to talk about how beautiful these nails are when it comes down to the texture. This was my first time having any form of texture nail, so the nail on my pointer finger had textured scales and I thought it was so cute. Honestly, if she had a full set of nails in that texture, I would definitely get them. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with a friend if you think they would enjoy it.